And we're back to learn Inkscape in year day 121. Let me show the jitter color option of the tweak tool. It's yet again a randomizer for the color, but in this case you don't have to pre-select the color. Let me create a couple of objects. This one is a little bit too big, I think. I size it down. Then I press Ctrl A to select them all. I activate the tweak tool, so it's important, as always, to have the object selected that you want to apply the tweak tool to. And right here you can see when we select this option for jitter, the colors, we get the H, S, L, and O channel. And if you now left click and you hover over your elements, it randomly changes the color. And with the channels, you can decide if you want to have, for example, the hue as the H be randomized or not. S is saturation, L is lightness, O is then opacity. In this case, you definitely want to have the hue active. And if I paint over this, you can see I don't have to select a color below as a fill. So that was the difference to the option that I've shown in the last video, where it was impactful what color was pre-selected. In this case, it simply isn't important. You can just apply this randomly over these objects. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.